How to record internal audio on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Now, find the screen recording button, then press and hold this button. A new menu will now appear on your screen, presenting you with additional recording options. At the bottom, you'll see a microphone icon. By default, this is set to off, meaning no external audio will be captured. Simply tap on the icon to enable the microphone for your recording. The icon will turn red, and the text will change to microphone on, confirming it is active. To disable it again, you can tap it again at any time to turn it off. Following these steps, you can easily record internal audio on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.